the neighbors, they have also, the birdhouse and the bug house. So yeah, double house. Yeah, you don't see a lot of bird houses around, but there used to be more. Okay, across the street, that little bump on the left is also a birdhouse, I believe. Well, or a bug house. I believe it's a birdhouse. And as usual, we have to walk on the grass, not on the pavement, so she can explore. No houses on this one, on that one, and also on this. This is also without and that. Asi lulala pridna. Crazy. Easy, de grimo. As usual, she's taking her time.